Hi, my beauties. Okay, let's get into this real quick. So this is my Fenty haul because, like everyone else, we saw what happened during the Super Bowl. Rihanna came in. She did that beautiful announcement. She, in my opinion, did an amazing job. But for me, the star of the show, besides her talent and her beauty, was that iconic red lipstick. And it's because of that color, that lipstick has had the beauty community, in my opinion, in a chokehold that Rihanna just don't want to let up. So then everybody wanted to know, what was it? Where did she get it from? What did it? And come to find out, she was like very business savvy, very good marketing. It's her Fenty iconic velvet liquid lipsticks. And y'all, I got them. I got 4 of the 5. So let's get into this real quick because we got to do some swatches. First things first. First peak price points. Oh, and I did a haul. So the price points for the lipsticks, they each retail for $29. I also went and got me a heat gloss, balm gloss in Fussy Heat. And then I got the scrub stick. Now, let's go. First, we're going to go into the, I'm going to do the simplest one. The scrub stick retail for $16. This retail for $26. So we're going to put this on first. This is the Fussy Heat. And she is gorge. I say she a lot because I'm a she. That's what it looks like. Very, very pretty. It's the heat, so this has some plumping agents to it. So she's pretty. I like that a lot. Okay. Now, as far as the scrub stick, this is actually really, really nice. I like the way it felt on my lips. This is what it looks like. Packaging is very, very cute. This is what the product looks like. The only thing about this is, the downfall for me is, as I've mentioned before, and if you're new here, I'm Cartier, Alan of Stiletto Beauty, and I suffer from really intense cluster migraines. And a trigger of my migraines is strong smells. And so I'm very sensitive to smells. And that, unfortunately, when I put it on, although it made my lips feel so nourished, hydrated, I think that's right, but hydrated and moist, like it had so much moisture added into my lips, the smell within the first couple of seconds, I already had a headache starting to come because the smell was intense. So I had to take it off. So, Beauty, hey Beauty, if you ever see this, and I'm fortunate enough for you to see this, if you could so kindly, and I know you don't owe me anything, but if you could so kindly make that without the smell, you and I will be here, I promise. Okay, but we got those out the way. Let's get into these swatches. So, I bought 4 of these these lipsticks, and there were 5 that you could purchase at the moment. Right? So I'm going to try these on how I would wear them. And I would wear all of them with a brown liner because that's just what I do. With a liner, no, not necessarily brown. My alternative would be, I would do like a like maybe a mauvey, like a vampy burgundy. Okay, and I'm going to go in what I believe from lightest to darkest, so that way it just makes more sense. So we're going to start with Riri. Packaging, absolutely adorable. Love the component. Love the floating FB in the glass at the top. That's giving luxe. It's giving thoughts put into the process. And then, of course, I am a sucker for any type of window or peekable window that shows me the product. Mine is frosted glass. I don't like frosted because it distorts the color. So, and Riri is like this, like, looks like a mauvey pink. Ready? It really matches the pink in my lip. The texture of this is, it goes on matte instantly, which I like, because although gloss has been coming for me, like I've been loving gloss, matte will always have my heart. This is giving it's like a mousse-like texture. Okay. I'm going to get a lip brush, because y'all please forgive me, I'm getting over a cold. Okay. So this is Riri. I would also like to, I would have maybe go darker with the pencil. But y'all get the idea. This is Riri. She's pretty. Yeah, she's cute. I like this. Okay. Next color. Okay, so next one, we're gonna go in with MVP, which is the iconic Super Bowl red. I like the doe foot of this. It's a pointed doe foot and it has like a little, it's at an angle, so it really lays flat against the contour of the lip. Oh, this red is everything. Now, what I will say about this velvet formula, it a little goes a long way. Like, look at that. Hater. I like this a lot. Yeah, and it's his, honestly, is this, yeah, this is the MVP. When I saw it on others, I'm not gonna lie, it was, okay, yeah, maybe I just need that a little bit more. It was definitely like this. Like, this is a red. This is a blue tone red, and I know you guys heard this so many times from other people who used it. This is MVP. She's stunning. Another thing about the formula to note, it's very comfortable. This is very, very comfortable. Next color. This is HBIC. And this is the red that I wouldn't line. I don't need a line for this one. This is a more deeper, it's like it seems like it's almost like a purpley red. And of the two, this one is my favorite. I like this one a lot more. Don't get me wrong, the MVP is absolutely stunning, but this one is like, MVP is like something I will wear when I want to pop. This is something I can see me wearing like a day to day, like, so HBIC. Next color. Okay, and this is Breadwinner. This is a very chocolatey brown, and she's gorge. So yeah, that is my Fenty haul. In a nutshell, the lipsticks, the formula is amazing. One thing I will say, I did see a lot of people inquiring about this. This Fenty is not advertising this lipstick formulation to be smudge proof. It is not. It is a mousse-like texture, so therefore it's going to move. I did see, I forgot who she was. She did show a way to mattify it, so it didn't transfer. I didn't try that, but I'm sure that there's ways you can come up to mattify it. But for the most part, it's very airy, it's very light. Doesn't feel like you have anything on your lips. A little goes a long way. So I like the fact that you don't have to dip multiple times to get payoff. Yeah, and so I like it. So anyway, that's my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And as always, remember, true beauty is limitless. Stay beautiful and be kind. See ya.